In the concrete canyons where ambition never sleeps, a different kind of pulse beats. It's the rhythm of the market, the lifeblood of an empire built on numbers and nerve. Here, amidst the iconic facade of the New York Stock Exchange, and under the watchful gaze of the charging bull, fortunes are forged and broken in the blink of an eye. This is Wall Street, not just a place, but a state of mind, a relentless arena where the game is always on and the stakes are nothing less than everything. Enter the players, forged in the crucible of competition. There is the young wolf, fresh-faced and hungry, eyes wide with the ferocious ambition to carve out a name. Their world is a blur of caffeine-fueled all-nighters and the intoxicating thrill of the chase, driven by an unshakable belief that they can outsmart the system. Opposite them sits the titan, the seasoned billionaire who has seen it all. Their movements are measured, their gaze steady, having long ago mastered the art of calculated risk. For them, it is no longer a sprint but a marathon, a game of legacy and influence played on a global scale, where a single decision can ripple across continents. The battlefield is not one of brick and mortar, but of data and perception, a digital coliseum where information is the ultimate weapon. Visualize the relentless dance of numbers, glowing stock tickers that race across screens, painting a story of profit and loss in real time. See the jagged peaks and sudden valleys of candlestick charts, each one a testament to fear and greed. In trading rooms filled with arrays of monitors, algorithms execute 1 million calculations a second, and human instinct makes split-second decisions that could unlock unimaginable wealth or trigger catastrophic collapse. It is a symphony of controlled chaos, a high-stakes ballet where every participant is vying for an edge. The ascent is a brutal, exhilarating climb. It begins with a single, pivotal moment. The first trade that validates the risk, the one that turns a hypothesis into hard cash. This initial victory ignites a fire, fueling a relentless drive for more. The journey unfolds in a montage of escalating triumphs, from executing a complex derivative strategy to leading a multi-billion-dollar merger. Small wins compound into larger successes, transforming the determined analyst into a formidable portfolio manager. The corner office with a view is earned, not given, and the power to move markets becomes a tangible reality. The once hungry novice now commands a financial empire, their name whispered with a mixture of reverence and envy. And so, the sun sets over the steel and glass skyline, casting long shadows that stretch across the city. The frenetic energy of the day gives way to a quiet hum of immense power, symbolized by private jets waiting on tarmacs, exclusive galas in opulent ballrooms, and the quiet satisfaction of shaping the world from behind the scenes. In this realm of staggering wealth and unparalleled influence, the game never truly ends. It simply resets for a new day, ready for the next generation to test their mettle in the heart of the financial world, where the dream of power is the ultimate currency.